My hometown made me who I am today, shaping my values and nurturing my dreams. It's a place where laughter fills the air and every setback is met with support from friends and family. The lessons learned among familiar streets, resilience, kindness, and the importance of community have become the foundations of my character.
Man, guys, I don't know what to say, man. I'm taken aback about the memories that were created right here on this very street. Right? This is the street where many life lessons and experiences were born. Like, I can't tell you the countless memories, the holidays, the festivities, the camaraderie, like everything we endured, everything that shaped me, everything that honestly, you know, bro, this is this is a surreal moment, and it brings back a lot of memories, emotional things that just, you know, it's crazy, man. It's interesting. It's interesting, man. To see this house 30 years later, bro. Like, this is where I grew up, man. This is literally the same. It smells are the same. Everything is legitimately the same as I once knew it. From 2 to 3 years old, man. This is wow. This is dope. This is dope. Driveway right here, bro. This driveway used to feel enormous to me as a kid. I mean, me and my cousins were out here all the time playing marbles, playing tag, hide and go seek. Bro, this exact driveway right here is where I learned to ride my first bike, where I got my first scratches. You know what I'm saying? Right, bro. We used to start our again, this driveway used to feel so long, bro. We used to start up here, and I don't know, like this ground used to be more at a slope, so we would start up here at the top and ride all the way down, right? And back in the day, they used to have the pedals where you could push backwards, and we try to get down to the car. I'm gonna show y'all. We used to try to get to the carport and make the tire screeches on the who can make the longest tire mark on the carport. And this is where I got my first stitches at, you know, because I hit the damn wall down there. But man, yeah, it's 33 years old seeing this. And it's like, bro, my little self, man, it's crazy. It's it's crazy. All right, so right here was the driveway, right? We used to come down that hill or that driveway. This is the carport. And this is also where my grandpa used to keep all his tools and everything, right? We used to come down this and who can make the longest tire streaks, bro? And I came up, boom. I'm full speed, boom, 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 coming down, right? Hit this wall. This wall right here has ridges on it. It was this exact board, bro. My tire hit it. I went up every one of these damn ridges and split my shit wide open, bro. Again, man. We used to get active. We used to get dirty. We used to have fun. This is before social media. This is before cell phones. This is, bro, you had to create your own fun, bro. This was my 90s right here, bro. This was my 90s childhood. Kids today will never understand how we used to have it, man. This right here is the grassroots. The grassroots. After, you guys can't see it over here just yet, but you know, we'll be out here playing, and this is where I learned to throw a football. My grandpa actually he cut out an aluminum sheet, put a hole in it, and this is where I learned to throw a football through the hole. I ended up playing receiver, but again, the creativity, the things that we created from scratch. My grandpa was an inventor like crazy, bro. Yeah, so we'll be out here playing, running around, and this was the pathway, right? We would come through right here, and come in. This door right here led into like a game room. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you guys. But this was the game room, pool table, all that type of stuff that was in here. Man. So yeah, man, this is exactly where we use to learn how to play, learn how to share, learn how to just get outside and be kids and stay in a child's place and just free. All right. This satellite dish is literally the same satellite dish from my childhood, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. This is the same exact DirecTV satellite, and that one up there on the top of the house. This is wild, bro. Back here we had our pool, the stand-up pool, bro. You couldn't tell me nothing. We had a good upbringing over here, bro. This side of the tracks was the good side of the tracks, bro. Remember I told you about the pool table? There's a pool ball right here, bro. That's dope. That is dope. Number 13. That is dope, bro. Wow. I'm definitely keeping this.
Growing up in my hometown, you have two sides of the tracks. This is the projects, which shaped my identity, where community bonds were forged amidst challenges, the laughter echoing from block parties, the warmth of neighbors looking out for one another, and the resilience built from facing adversity all contributed to rich memories. Carefree childhood moments intertwined with a gritty, raw reality teaching valuable lessons about strength, unity, and the importance of finding joy in the little things. Those front porch haircuts evoke vivid memories of warm summer afternoons, became a rite of passage. The taste of homemade snow cones on hot summer days from the local candy house. The local park where we shot hoops, went crazy on the merry-go-round, and paid $1 to get into the local pool. These became our fortresses, while the sounds of evening crickets and street lights signaled the time to head home. Each day I carried the spirit of my hometown within me, driving me to strive for greatness while cherishing the roots that ground me. This is my hometown.